Hi guys, it's Legionero. Welcome back to my channel, and I would like to welcome all of my new subscribers. We are in day 10 of our 12 days of DIY Christmas gift ideas, and today we are making a lanyard. This is a quick and easy project. It can be done with so many really cute fabrics and will be a great gift for those who have name tags and different things like that. So go ahead and grab your tools and let's get started. Alright guys, so what you're going to need for this lanyard, you're going to need a strip of fabric cut 3 inches by 44 inches. Alright, and 40 inches is fine as well. But mine is cut 3 inches by 44 inches. Alright, you're also going to need, this is a 3/4 inch swivel clasp. Right, so what you're going to do, you are going to press your strip of fabric for your lanyard just like you would do a wristlet strap or anything like that. If you watched any of my videos, I'm sure you've seen this. You fold it in half with the wrong side spacing. Right, then you take one side, fold it towards that crease, and press. And you're going to do the other side as well. I usually do one side at a time, but let's see if we can do this. So whether you do it one at a time or both at the same time, both sides are getting pressed towards the the crease. Right, and then you take both sides and then fold them in half. Move this out of the way. Alright, so what you're going to do now is take your swivel clasp and place it on one end or through one end. Alright. Take your ends, make sure that they are right side spacing, and unfold your ends and pin them together. Alright, so you're just going to open up the ends just a bit and pin them together, and they are right sides facing. Right, you're going to take this to the sewing machine and you're just going to sew about 1/4 inch across this edge to sew the two edges together. Alright, so what you're going to do now, just open that up. If you want to, you can take it to the ironing board and give it a good press. But what you're going to do, just fold your strap back up. So fold your two sides to the middle. Right, and then fold them together. And you're just going to sew down both edges of the fabric. And while you're sewing, I just kind of took this hand and was sliding, so my swivel clasp was just sliding out of the way. Alright, so what you're going to do now, make sure everything is nice and straight. And I'm looking for that crease. Okay, here we go. It's right here. So that's where I like to place my swivel clasp. And just flip it, so whichever side you want to be the outside and the inside. And I'm just going to fold that together at that crease where the pieces met. And I'm just going to sew really close to that swivel clasp, and your lanyard will be done. If you want to, you can put a rivet there. Do a couple of back stitches. Right. And your lanyard is done. Alright guys, so your lanyard is all done. And it could be made in really cute fabrics. The first one I made one for when I was going to Dragon Con, so of course I made it out of Marvel Heroes fabric, the Avengers. And when I got to Dragon Con, lo and behold, they were giving us lanyards that year. But I had some extra ones, so yeah, these can be made out of really cute fabrics. And you have a really cute and simple DIY Christmas gift idea. Alright, so if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I will see you in day 11 of our 12 days of DIY Christmas gift ideas.